Experiencing issues with your HyperX DuoCast not turning on or functioning correctly? The primary causes usually stem from power supply problems, USB connectivity issues, or outdated firmware. First, ensure your microphone is receiving sufficient power. Try using a powered USB hub or plugging directly into a rear USB port on your PC. Avoid using USB extenders as they can reduce voltage. Next, verify USB connectivity. Update your operating system, Windows 11 or macOS Sequoia, and reinstall HyperX drivers using the NUD software. For Mac users, resetting the SMC, System Management Controller, can help resolve power delivery issues. Lastly, ensure your microphone's firmware is up to date via the Ngenuity app. Keep the microphone away from physical shocks. If basic troubleshooting fails, the USB cable itself may be the problem, especially in older pre-2023 models. Replacing the cable has resolved many power and LED issues. While USB-C adoption is increasing, future DuoCast models might eventually phase out micro USB entirely by 2028. For firmware problems, try a manual reset. Unplug the mic, hold the power button for 10 seconds, and reconnect. Future trends in microphones involve wireless technology and AI integration for automated firmware updates and error diagnostics. Keep firmware updated quarterly and use original cables to extend microphone life and performance.